Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this transparent text effect in Photoshop in an easy way. Let's get started. Follow the steps and watch the video until the end. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. And guys, if you haven't joined our WhatsApp channel, join now using the link given in the description and pinned comment for more updates and resources. And there you have it, a wonderful transparent text effect done in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and join our family for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.